This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Randy Fox. Original owners, smoke-free, pet-free. Beautiful brick home west/great open floor plan accented by floor-to-ceiling windows offering a private park-like view. 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths with 1 half bath provide plenty of room for multi-generational family. There is a master ensuite on first floor and second floor. 2 bedrooms share a Jack and Jill bathroom. Walk-in attic. Finished 2-car garage west/large built-in cabinets and a workspace. Paver walk front of home to backyard paver patio west/built-in lighting accents that are great for quiet evenings together. Inground sprinkler system with well. This community offers parks, pool, tennis and more.